So this is the 12th question of grade 6 exam for SASMO held in year 2019. The question says at 12 p.m. the hour and minute hand point in the same direction. What is the exact time between 6 and 7 p.m. when the hour and minute hand point in the same direction? Okay. So this is the clock here. So at 6 o'clock, the hour and minute hand is somewhat like this. So it is 12 here, it is 6 here. It will be 7 here. So this is at 6 o'clock. What will happen is between 6 and 7, I'll draw it with some other color. Between 6 and 7, the hour hand will move somewhere here, and at the same time, the minute hand. Let me draw the hour hand by green in both the scenarios. So green is the hour hand and red is the minute hand. And between 6 and 7, the red and the green overlap. This is between 6 and 7. We have to find that time between 6 and 7 it happens. So if you look at first the hour hand has moved this much degrees, okay, and the minute hand has moved this much degrees to reach here. So first of all, to understand this, you have to understand the concept that, so to understand the concept here, first you have to understand that in a 12-hour period, the hour hand goes from 12 to 12. That means it covers 360 degrees in 12 hours. This is for hour hand. And that means in 1 hour, it covers 30 degree. That means in 1 minute, it will cover 30 degree by 60, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. It covers 0.5 degrees. That means in x minutes, it covers x into 0.5. So 0.5x. X into 0.5 degrees. This much it covers in x minutes. Now what about the minute hand? What about the minute hand? Minute hand in 1 hour completes 360 degree. That means in 1 minute it covers 360 by 60, which is 6 degrees. That means in x minutes the minute hand covers 6 into x into 6, these many degrees. Okay. Now coming back to the situation here. Here the minute hand has gone from here till here. Let's say x minutes have surpassed. In 1 minute, it is covering x 6 degrees. So in x minute, it will cover x into 6 degrees. So minute hand covers 6 into x, these many degrees. Hour hand covers how much? Hour hand in 1 minute covers 0.5 degrees. So in x minutes, it will cover x into 0.5 degrees. So it covers x into 0.5 degrees. Now if I subtract them, if you look at it, the hour hand has moved like only this much and the minute hand has moved this much. So if I subtract them, the gain that was at 6 o'clock, both of them subtended an angle of how much? 180 degree. Okay. So the 180 degree is gained by the minute hand in x minutes for them to overlap, because it was 180 degree here with the hour hand has moved slightly. So the minute hand has moved how much? 180 degree plus that slight amount. Okay. Also, if you can look from geometrical thing, this is 180 degree and this is how much? This part is x plus x into 0.5 degree, which is the movement of the hour hand. So the movement of the minute hand, which is 6 into x degree, should be equal to x into 0.5 degree plus 180 degree. Okay. So the minute hand moved 180 degree plus how much the hour hand has moved, which is x into 0.5 degree. So 6 into x degree equal to x into 0.5 degree plus 180 degree. And I can get x from here. So I get 5.5x is equal to 180. So I'll get x as 180 divided by 5.5, or it is 360 upon 11. 360 upon 11. 360 upon 11 if I do, 360 divided by 11, 11 3s are 33, 30, 11 2s are 22, 8. So that will be 32 minutes 8 by 11. 32 8 by 11 minutes after 6 o'clock. Because this was at 6 o'clock. From after 6 o'clock, this much time has been elapsed. So it will be 6 minutes and 6 hours and 30 to 8 by 11 minutes PM. Everything is in PM. So answer option B is correct here. Okay.